Hello, welcome to the Click Experts. And today we are going to discuss a platform that's good for freelancers that want to actually make extra money or those who want to actually turn a trade into a career. And this platform is going to be FieldNation. Now, on FieldNation, this is basically a platform where work vendors come and look for freelance workers for temporary jobs or even permanent jobs. You can actually go work right away, make money within the next couple weeks or two, and set your own prices of how much you want to make. So let's jump right into it and get started. We're going to go through a short version. I'm just going to show you how to get started, and we are going to be looking for work. Now, when looking for work, you're going to have to put all your information in here. It's going to be get access to 2,000 work orders a week. And that is true. There are a lot of work orders on here. You're going to put your name right here. You're going to put your phone number, your email, password, confirm your password. And right here, you're going to put what types of experience you have. It's going to be point of sale, structured cabling, alarm security, telecom, computer, print, storage, low voltage, and networking, signage, general IT, other. So you'll fill out these, and these are for mainly tech workers. If you don't have experience, again, you can join our site and we'll teach you how to do all of this. But before we continue, just want to let you know that if you're interested in becoming a field technician, please go to the link in the description. There is a 7-day money-back guarantee for an online field technician course. Become your own boss with a technology and recession-proof trade. What you do is you fill out all the information, you sign in, and we're not going to go through all this right here because it's probably going to take about a good 10-15 minutes. It's basically just the basics, signing up, putting your information in, that's it. If you don't have any experience, that's fine. Just sign up and let them know that. And then when you come to a page, we're going to click right over where we're already set up. You're going to have access to all of these jobs in your area. So you see right here, there are jobs where you can make, and you're bidding against other people with experience. So of course, you may get the job, you may not get the job. So you're allowed to come on here and bid, and you'll see a job here for $100 for 2 hours, 8 hours for $25, $100 for 2 hours, and you get to set your own bids. So you come on here, you click on this, click on the one you want. You come in this portion of the area, and this is the desktop version. There is a mobile app version, but the desktop version just has more to it, so we'll go over that. You can come right here. You'll see that there's this information here telling you more about the job. If you look up here, you can go here and you can counter or you can request. Now, right now it's giving you the rate. It's $100 for the first 2 hours, so that's $50 an hour. So if you want to counter that, you can come right here, hit the counter button, or pick the person you want to counter with, or you can just hit request. And what does counter look like? So when you're countering, you're going to see this information. So this information is going to be here, and you're going to be able to put your pay. You want it to be blended, hourly, fixed, per device, blended, and you're going to put all your information here. If you want to change the schedule around, you can change the schedule around to where you want it to be. And if you're going to do expenses, you're going to say what your expenses are. Are you going to have travel, taxes, real material costs, those types of things, description, the amount, and then of course right here you're going to put the reason for this. So after you put all that information in, you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit submit. We're not going to hit submit because we're not presenting anything or looking for any work here. So that's that portion, but that's how you basically look for a job. Now, we're going to do another video on the best way to get jobs when you're just starting. We're not going to talk about that in this video. That's going to be a more in-depth video. This is just an introduction to kind of get you started and get you on the way. And our next video will actually go into what's the best thing to do once you want to actually get on here and start working immediately. And it can be something where it can take a while if you have certain demands, but there's a way we figured out to where you can get there pretty quickly. So that's just a quick video. We'll have a more in-depth video later on here. For any questions, just leave it in the comments. And please like and subscribe. And until next time.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue creating great videos for everyone. See you again soon.